Are you worried about dark spots around your home that could be hiding security risks? Here are the 5 best outdoor floodlights I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Tough Enough Solar Outdoor Lights. Priced at just $27.99, these lights caught my eye with their impressive specs. If you want a bright and energy-efficient solution for your outdoor areas, this is worth a serious look. This solar-powered floodlight can produce an amazing 2,500 lumens thanks to its 210 super bright LED beads. That means not only will it light up your backyard or driveway, but you'll be able to see everything clearly, even at night. Plus, the 270-degree wide-angle illumination and a motion sensor that detects up to 26 feet away ensures that no corner is left dark. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. It means you're creating a safer environment around your home, deterring unwanted visitors. Now, some people complained about the installation instructions being a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, once you get past that, it's an easy setup without any wires or adapters needed, just a few screws and you're good to go. If you're someone who values quick and wireless installation, this might not be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a cost-effective way to enhance security around your home without relying on electrical wiring. However, skip this one if you prefer traditional lighting methods since it relies on solar power. Alright, if the Tough Enough's installation instructions frustrated you, this next one takes a completely different approach with more straightforward setup. Product number 2. Gone Home Par 38 LED Floodlights. Priced at $16.99, this product really stands out for its incredible energy efficiency. If you're looking to illuminate your outdoor spaces without breaking the bank on electricity, this is definitely worth a serious look. These LED floodlights use just 20 watts while providing a brightness equivalent to a 200-watt bulb, giving you 1,800 lumens of daylight lighting. That's an 85% saving on your electricity bill. Additionally, with a beam angle of 180 degrees, it can cover an area up to 70 feet, making it perfect for large backyards or garages. Here's why this matters. You're not just lighting up your space, you're doing it in a way that's kind to your wallet. Now, some users mentioned that the bulbs can be a bit too bright for certain settings, but here's the thing. If you need adjustable lighting, these are dimmable, so you can set the mood however you like. It's a simple fix and great for versatility. This is perfect for you if you care about energy savings while still wanting powerful lighting. However, skip this one if you need something with a built-in motion sensor as it doesn't have that feature. Now, if you found the Gone Home's brightness overwhelming, the next option on my list offers more customizable controls. Product number 3. Philips 72W LED Security Lights. Coming in third is the Philips 72W LED Security Lights. At $39.99, this one's a bit pricier, but packed with features that justify the cost. If you want high brightness combined with intelligent motion detection, this is worth a serious look. With 7,400 lumens of brightness and 3 adjustable heads, this light provides extensive coverage for your yard or garage. It has a high-sensitivity PIR motion sensor that detects motion up to 69 feet away, which is crucial for alerting you to any activity. Plus, you can set it to different lighting modes, including a manual override for those late-night gatherings. Here's why this matters. It not only enhances your security, but also adapts to your lifestyle needs. However, some users found the installation a bit tricky due to its size and weight. But here's my take. Once installed, it's incredibly sturdy and built to last, so the initial effort pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you prioritize comprehensive coverage and customization for your outdoor lighting. However, skip this one if you're looking for something smaller and less intrusive. If Philips' size was a concern for you, the next product is a more compact alternative that still packs a punch. Product number 4. Sunco Outdoor Floodlight Bulbs. Now we have the Sunco Outdoor Floodlight Bulbs. At $38.99 for a 6-pack, this is a fantastic option if you want to cover multiple areas without overspending. If you want reliable performance with a longer lifespan, this is worth a serious look. These PAR 38 LED bulbs provide 1800 lumens at just 15 watts, which means they're not only energy efficient, but also bright enough to keep your outdoor areas well lit. They're waterproof and built to withstand the elements, making them an excellent choice for outdoor security lighting. Here's why this matters. It means you won't have to replace them frequently and can trust they'll work when you need them most. However, some buyers noted that the dimming feature didn't work as smoothly as expected. Here's the thing. If you're mainly using them for security lighting, the brightness is usually sufficient without dimming, so it's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you need multiple lights at a great value for your outdoor spaces. However, skip this one if you require a more advanced motion sensor feature. If the Sunco's dimming didn't meet your needs, the final product has a great blend of features that could work out well. Product number 5, Philips 44W LED Security Light. Priced at $36.99, this model merges efficiency with advanced features. If you want a dependable light that offers various operational modes, this is worth a serious look. This light emits a powerful 4200 lumens and has a 180-degree detection angle with a PIR sensor that can spot motion up to 69 feet away. The adjustable heads allow you to customize the coverage area, making it suitable for different outdoor locations. What's significant here is that it can switch between modes, including a dusk to dawn feature, ensuring you have light when you need it. However, some customers found that the installation was slightly complicated due to the multiple features. But here's my perspective. Once set up, you'll have a versatile and reliable lighting solution that enhances both safety and visibility. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-purpose outdoor light that adapts to different situations. However, skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward installation process without extra settings. Now that we've covered all 5 options, let's wrap it up. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Philips 72W because of its high brightness and excellent motion detection, essential for safety. I'd recommend avoiding the Gonham if you need a built-in motion sensor. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.